What is up, everyone? Just wanted to do an update video on my portfolio. With the recent stock market sell-off, I said I did a video, I think it was yesterday morning, really early, on what I plan to do, and just updating if I actually got to do what I want to do, because all those plans were done in pre-market hours. So let's see. The market is now closed, and I had to do little adjustments and changes because the market was making a bounce back and the prices were fluctuating. So some minor changes. So here's one of the call options I wanted to buy. I did get into it. I got it here. Paid an average price for $83, and it's a $275 call option for VOO. Went down a little bit. It's right now valued at $73, but again, this expires in January 18, 2019, and the idea is that for this ETF by January, will it get to $275? I think it will. This one's a little bit of a reach, but I still think this was a good investment. The next one I got into was not this one. FDN, yes, FDN. So I got 3 contracts on FDN right there. So I'll go into the first one right here, which is a $140 call option, valued, paid $160 for it. It's now worth $195, so already it's positive $35, and this expires January 18, 2019, and I'm confident that this will be a good investment down the road. $140 by January is what this ETF needs to hit. And again, before the sell-off, it was trading at 140. So I think with the holiday season, and FDN is the ETF for the internet giants, Amazon, Netflix, Google, those players, PayPal, I think is in there also. They're gonna make a really great comeback. So, paid $160 for it, is at $195. This one, $143 call option. I wanted to pay. I ended up paying $300 for this, and I wanted to pay, I think it was $260 or $240. I can't remember now, but it is what it is. I got it for $300. It's now valued at $313. Again, I'm still okay with that because this is not in January. This is for April, so I still got a ways to go, and I believe the market will continue down that path, and it's again needs to be $143 by April. And then again, this is the one that it was the gamble one. I wanted to pay $20 for it, and it paid $30. So its current value is $25, and we'll see. All these 3 again, I definitely will sell and not exercise the contract. And I think that was it. Yeah, I didn't buy any here. Oh, one other change is I also bought 5 shares of FDN because I couldn't buy any of the other contracts. It was too challenging to. I just put 5 shares of FDN, and I paid, what did I pay? An average cost of $128.19 for it. So it's a little down, but again, I feel this is only going to be temporary, and it's going to make a jump back. So I was trying to purchase the contracts at this time when it was lower, and then when I wasn't able to, or the prices weren't to my liking, I decided just to put it into the ETF, 5 shares, and then just go to work. The last thing I want to talk about my portfolio is, we forget that October 17th is around the corner. So I just want to give a shout out to a fellow YouTuber, Jose from Stock Market 101 channel. I was watching one of his videos this morning, and he just reminded me. I remember reading about this Yahoo Finance article last week, talking about some analysts giving Canopy Growth and Tilray a lot higher increase in price targets. I think Canopy Growth was like 30%. You know, it was like the target was like $84, trading at 50, but Tilray was like a triple, right? It was the original target was like 60 something. Then in the article it talks like the target price was like 170 or something around there. But yeah, big props to Jose for Stock Market 101 channel. Check his channel out. He has great videos. I usually watch his videos daily, but it just reminded me again that October 17th is coming around, and definitely hoping that this last week is going to be good for me, because for those of you who follow my channel know I still have all these cannabis option contracts, and they haven't been doing well because of the market sell-off. And you know, but I still got 9 days, or less than 9 days, 7 days. I still have 7 days, and maybe I can make a final rally push if the market for these cannabis stocks also push up forward. Okay, that was it. Just wanted to do a quick video detailing what I actually ended up doing yesterday, again, because I know the other video I made was super early in the morning, couldn't sleep. So that's about it. Please leave a comment, question with your thoughts on what I did. Otherwise, have a great weekend. Like always, like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the content.